Lot number 121 is a 2005 Ford F-350 XL crew cab utility truck. This one has a 6.0 liter diesel engine. Mechanical conditions are unknown. It's got 139,000 miles. It's been sitting out here almost a year. But you can tell before they put it down, it got a new alternator. The alternator looks new. So actually right now I have 3 jump boxes on the truck. It turns over sluggish. My batteries are half dead. I tried spraying it with starting fluid. I can't get it to start. It probably has bad fuel. I know it's been sitting for almost a year. Mechanical conditions are unknown. It's being sold as is. So I'm gonna hit it now. I got 3 jump boxes on it, and you'll hear it turn over. I already sprayed it with starting fluid. I could not get it running, and I only get a couple of tries with these jump boxes. So listen. That's it. That's all I get. My jump boxes start smoking, and it takes a lot of power to turn these trucks over. You need to install 2 new batteries on here and then go from there. But again, it looks, I mean, the alternator tells me that it was serviced right before it got put down. I don't know why it was put down. They got a new truck. I don't know. So it's being sold as is. Mechanical conditions are unknown. It'll make a great work truck if it runs, right? Body is straight. It's got minor dents and scratches all around. It's got some deep scratches from the decal removal process. They went in real strong on it. And it's got a dent right here on the passenger side doors. I'm gonna try and cross this mud hole I got here. It's got a nap-hide utility bed, it shows wear and tear. We'll go through the cabinets here. The cabinets appear to be solid. All the doors open and close. It's got all matching steel wheels. The tires look good. It's got a lift gate. Unknown working conditions of the lift gate. Oh, it works, it looks like. It works. I wouldn't bring it down because I would be scared it doesn't go back up. But it appears to be in working shape. Bed looks solid. It shows surface rust all around. It's a lot of truck. It'd be a great work truck. Solid cabinets. This one is really beat up. The side cabinet door here has a lot of dents. Shows surface rust all around. But all the doors open and close. They appear to be all right. Now, driver's side rear door does not stay closed. It's got the mechanism in there, it's just broken. It's missing the whole rear seat. It looks like this guy made a little workshop back here. Didn't need passengers. So the rear seat is missing. Headliner's torn. It's not torn, but it's dirty. It shows wear. It's not hanging. It should clean up well. So keep in mind, driver's side rear door does not stay closed. How's that for deep scratches? All right, driver's side. Door panel looks faded. Power windows, power door locks. Bench seat is torn. Dashboard is not cracked, but the trim in the front is. Actually, that's not a crack. Dashboard looks nice. There are the miles. Maybe hard to see. 139,551. See if it shows us hours. Yeah, very hard to see here. All right, at least we got the miles. Rubber mat on the floor shows wear. Let's check the passenger side, make sure that door closes. It's just really slippery over here. So a couple of dents on the passenger side, but overall it's pretty straight. Yeah, passenger side door is dented. It's got a dent right there, but it does open and close as it should. All right, well, that about does it. This tire definitely looks dry rotted. Front bumper is dented. And it looks like it has a couple of rust holes on the roof. They look like they've been patched up. It definitely has a rust hole right there. All right, there you have it. It's lot number 121, 2005 Ford F-350 XL crew cab utility truck. It's got a lift gate. Mechanical conditions are unknown. It's lot 121. Good luck.